Incoming razor plumes!
Not bad, not bad. Calm down. Okay, there we go, there we go. What else, what else? Come on. Aw, bitch. Come on! Are you gonna move? What the fuck? Nice, 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 nice. Good hits. Okay, heal up, heal up, heal up. Oh boy. Oh boy. Get out, get out. Come on. Heal up. Easy, easy. Easy fucking hits.
Incoming razor plumes!
Alright. This is light work, come on. Okay, relax. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die. Heal, heal, heal. Okay, let's go. Oh, the whole fucking shit is ice now. Wow, that's really great. I'm frozen like eternally. Die. Wow. Come on. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on! Please! What are we fucking doing right now? What is this dumb shit? Alright, come on. Come on! Come on! Literally, oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Why is this the one thing it can do now? Come on! Please! Are you fucking... Come on! Like, bro! Die already! Fucking 5 times?! Oh my god. Annoying ass shit.